Good morning all. We are going to teach you how different type of measurement in Revit, and also how to do your measurement, as in how to do a quick measurement, a quick one. It's going to be short as possible. So let's get to that. If you go to annotation, let's delete this measurement. So okay, let's just use this measurement. Let's use this. Let's go to our architecture. We go to model line. Let's draw some line. Go to circle. You draw a circle. You go to line. You draw a line, a straight line, and angular line. Then you draw another straight line here, and draw something like an arc. So this is it. So we have gotten this. So let's delete this measurement here. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. We go to annotation. We go to this. Let's go to this. Say create similar. Say create similar. Create similar. Take you to dimension line. It's going to take you to linear. This is linear line. This is linear. Linear measurements. Align. This linear. This is just for straight measurements. You can use this for both angular and other things. So let's just go with this. Let's go with this. We go with this. You come to here. That's it. So, but when you go to this line, when you go to linear, you go to this line, and you go to this, it's going to give you a straight line. You see it. So when you want to use linear, you go here. And you go here. You see a line. To give you a straight line. So you go to the last angle. It always takes you to the last angle. You go to notation again. When you use this one, align, you can measure this and measure this. It gives you what you want. But when you use this linear, you can see that it's going to be very difficult for you to measure this. You must click to the end. And the end of here. You see it. So if you don't click to the angle end, it won't work. With linear, when you click here, it's not gonna work. When you go here, you can see it as work. You want to click here. Let's click here. You see it is not working. But when you go here, with linear, when you go here, and you come here, you touch another angle, end of the angle. You see? But with this align, when you go here and you go here, you can get your measurement. You can also go here and you go here, you go here, and you touch it. You will also get your measurement. You see? So that is how this works. Then when we want to go to this angle is you just go here. You click on angle. You click on this and you click on this. Angle, you click on this and you click on this. You can see the angle. You have seen the angle. You just click the end of this and you click this. You see the angle. That is angular. When you use this, you can't get it. When you use this linear, you cannot get it. You can see it showing straight. When you use this linear, you can't also get it. It won't give it to you. But if you want to get this measurement, this angle here, you just have to get to this and you get to this. And it will give you this angle. So if you want to get the radius of this circle too, when you click this and you just click this circle, to show you the radius. You can see the radius. So when you want to also get the diameter of this circle, when you click it, you get the diameter. You see it. So these are the different type of measurement. So you want to get this measurement as fast as possible. You want to get this measurement as fast as possible. You want to get this measurement. You don't want to start clicking far. You just go to linear. When you go to linear, you just say wall faces. You click here wall faces and you come back here and you click on entire wall. When you click on entire wall, you go to option. If there are opening through you want to measure through, you click here. If there are intersection wall you want to measure to, you click. Intersection grid, you also click and say okay. But let's just go with intersection wall only first and say okay. Then what you will do is just come to this wall and click. You can see it has shown me every measurement. You don't have to start clicking too far. It has shown me every measurement. But the problem is it's also getting this. It's also getting this, which is not supposed. Okay, let's move it. Let's go. You can see it. Okay, it's also getting this and this. So that's why sometimes, okay, let's go through this. Let's go through this and click the two and see. You can see it. So it will give you the whole wall. But let's go through this. You can see it. To give you the measurement of the whole wall. But most time I don't like using this because there might be some error on it. So you have gotten this. You can see how fast it is. But most time I don't like using it that way. Because if you don't take your time, you will notice some error. So I don't like using it most time. It's a very simple way you can just get it done so fast. So the arc legs, what you do is just select this arc. You, you go to this arc legs, you select this arc, select here, select here, and it does give us the measurement. Look at it. You can see it. Or you come, if you go up, it's the same. You come down, it's the same. You can see it, it's not changing. So this is the measurement of the arc. You can go here too and edit whatever you want to edit. You understand? So that is how it's done. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you understand it.